Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your REALME 9 Pro Plus. So, there is two ways on this device, by the Google Lens and by the web browser. Now I will show you the first method. So, at the start open the Gallery app. Then look for the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one. And now just tap on the Google Lens. And now Google looking automatically for the similar or the same images. Like here. Okay, that is our first method. So now the second one, just open the web browser and go to the google.com. Now just click here on this red icon, and it's very important step, switch your web browser to the desktop side. Here. So now just tap on the camera icon and choose upload the file. Then allow a permission and choose the photo like before. Click done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.